Welcome to Forest Defender, a tool for understanding your rights by the Center for International Environmental Law. On the homepage, there are 3 colorful rectangular buttons that provide you with different ways you can search for rights and obligations. You can do a guided search by country and by instrument, or you can do a custom search using a combination of your own chosen criteria. Let's say you want to know about the rights and obligations specific to a country. Start by clicking the red button. On this page, use the drop-down menu and select a country like Honduras. You are directed to the Honduras country page with a summary of Honduras-specific information related to RED finance and the different RED initiatives in which Honduras participates. Below this information, there are 2 columns with scroll-down menus. On the left is a list of legal instruments relevant to Honduras. You can scroll through the list of applicable instruments and click any of them to learn about Honduras's unique relationship with it. For example, let's choose the International Labor Organization Convention Number 169. In addition to general information about the instrument, you can also see whether Honduras made any declarations or had reservation about certain aspects of this instrument when ratifying it. Now, let's go back to the Honduras search results page. If you are interested in learning under which legal instruments Honduras is obligated to respect a specific right, use the scroll-down menu on the right. Here you can see various rights categories. For example, if you click Access to Information, you are directed to a page that lists the various instruments that are applicable to Honduras and which articles, in particular, within those instruments relate to the right of access to information. If you want to choose more than one country at a time, use our custom search form, which we will explain in a moment. Okay, now let's search by instrument. If you want to search for a particular treaty, declaration, or international decision, you can do so from the homepage by clicking the green button or click Instruments and Frameworks on the menu bar of every page. Let's select the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples from the Global Instruments drop-down menu. You have now been directed to this instrument's homepage, where you are provided with a quick summary of what this instrument sets out to achieve, what kind of instrument it is, as well as when it was adopted and entered into force. For every instrument, Forest Defender directs you to more detailed information. Remember to explore the buttons that are hyperlinked. At the bottom of the page, there is a list of countries for which this instrument applies, and they are also hyperlinked. Finally, if you want to tailor your search to include various criteria, you can do so by clicking the blue button on the homepage or use the Custom Search tab on the right of the menu bar. You can choose a country, region, instrument, key term or right, or even enter your own simple word or phrase. You also have the option of selecting multiples of these for more targeted queries. Let's try one now. Let's look for the right to self-determination in the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, also known as ICCPR, and in the country of the Philippines. Do we get any results? Is ICCPR applicable to the Philippines, and does it cover the right to self-determination? Yes. Both seem to be the case. Our results suggest that there are 3 places within the ICCPR that speak to self-determination: the preambular paragraph, as well as in Articles 1 and 12. You now know how to do basic searches on Forest Defender. There is so much more you can do. For example, note the information on the right side of each search results page. Forest Defender gives you the ability to email, print, or share your search results. There is also a legend that explains the symbols used in your search results and a link to explain a list of key terms. You can access tips to use this tool on the right side of every search result page. For even more information, see our How to Use fact sheet. We hope Forest Defender helps organize complex information in a way that helps you protect rights. We welcome your feedback at any time.